how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you're well. Okay, so for those of you that saw my last video will know that I was just about to walk into a consultation meeting for redundancy. Now I'm being kind of sneaky because I'm actually still in the office, having just left the second consultation. So I thought I would just send a quick update in terms of what the outcome was from that meeting. So it was all made official that, and I basically told them that I've decided to opt out of applying for any additional roles within the company, and that I've decided to take redundancy. Now what was discussed in the meeting was really what the next steps are, what sort of outplacement support they offer with regards to me finding full-time employment, recreating my CV, preparing for interviews, etc. So it's quite good that the company is offering something like that, and that's all free of charge. So that's available to me. And also what was outlined in this meeting was also when my official end date is and when my final consultation meeting is. So I've still got, we're in mid-February now, and I'm hoping that I could basically end things here a lot sooner rather than later, so that it gives me time to again focus on other things, i.e. one of those things, finding full-time employment, but also work on my other projects. So I'm hoping that they would release me earlier, and what that's known as is garden leave. So I'm in the process of pitching for that, and where it's been left is that I've basically asked my line manager, what needs to be done from a workload point of view. What do I need to do, and can you give me a time frame so that I can, if possible, go on garden leave, i.e. leave earlier than my given date for redundancy, which is the 20th of February. So, sorry, 20th of March, not February, 20th of March. So I need to be, my redundancy, the redundancy process ends on the 20th of March, and I'm hoping that I can leave way before then so that I can focus on getting a new job and my other projects. So that's where we are. I think it sounds positive. Just had a word with my boss now. She said that we need to scope out what needs to be done workload wise, and we'll take it from there. So fingers crossed that I get to finish up here before the 20th, but again I will keep you posted. So look out for my other videos. Like I said, I am going to document everything that happens from now on. It's going to be interesting because, like I said, I'm no longer going to be part of the rat race. I won't be working full time, well, not for this place anyway. And if you want to find out exactly how I, what I do, what my next steps are, and how I continue doing my projects, then make sure you catch me on the next video. Okay, anyway guys, have a great one. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button. Also leave a comment, tell me what your thoughts are in terms of this whole process that I'm going through. Have any of you guys experienced anything like this? And if you have, what have you done about it? Make sure, if you haven't already, to hit the subscribe button as well, and also make sure you turn on that bell icon, the notifications. I'm doing it here at work. Make sure you do that so that every time that I upload new content, you will be the first one to know about it. Anyway guys, you take care of yourselves. I look forward to speaking to you on my next video. Take care, bless.